Step 2 is choosing your LLC name. Now that you've picked your state, you can now pick your name, because your LLC name has to be unique in that state. Start on your state's Secretary of State website and look for a business name search. In Pennsylvania, for example, I'll Google PA Secretary of State Business Search. I'll try this .pa.gov link for record searches. And there's a business entity search link right at the top. If you scroll down, you'll find a free business search. And this is the type of tool you'll want to find for your state. Once you find it, check if your desired name or if something similar exists. If it's taken, keep brainstorming and search again. Most states require a designator at the end of your name, like LLC or limited liability company. The exact rules vary, so use whatever your state accepts. If you can't find the exact rules on this just yet, that's okay. On the filing paperwork, it will usually tell you the requirements, but we'll get to that soon. After checking that your potential name is unique, do a quick brand check. Look up possible domain names and social media handles. It's fine if the exact matches are taken. You can likely add a small variation to the handles while keeping branding consistent. Finally, do a quick trademark check. Search Google and search the United States Patent and Trademark Office database too. That's called the USPTO. I'll link that down below. You don't need a trademark to form an LLC, but if you're building a real brand, it's worth double checking before you lock in the name.